Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Sophia, and today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to accomplish this really blue look. It mainly focuses on the importance of blending and how to achieve a gradient type look with the light blue on the top and then slowly going into darker colors. I hope you enjoy and you stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're gonna start off by setting our eyes with concealer, which I already did, and we're also gonna place that nude shade that we used to blend. For that nude shade, we're gonna go in with this color over here and then tap into this one as well. Just very, very lightly. Okay, now that our eyes are set, we're actually going to start playing with some of these blues on the James Charles palette. I'm going to go in with the lightest blue, which is this one right over here. I'm just going to gently tap in with JH39, which is this little brush right here. I'm going to tap into that color, and you see I already have it on the brush. I don't know if you could tell because of the light. Lightly, and I'm going to add it on the top of our crease. Like that. Let me move my setup here so you guys can see better. I'll do it on this side. I'm going to tap into that color once again, and I'm just going to lightly just place it on the top of our crease. Now we're going to take our blending brush, JH33, and blend that out. We're going to take that same brush that we placed the color with, and we're going to tap it in again and just continue adding the color. You see it's getting darker. Tap and add. Tap and add. Now we're going to use the blending brush and just blend it all out. And we kind of want to blend upward just so that the color could start going into your brow bone. Okay, so now that that lighter color is very much in the most part of our brow bone, I guess, we are going to begin by, sorry, I'm still blending. We're going to begin by adding the darker blue shade that is in the palette, which technically would be this shade right here. And we're going to start placing that in our actual crease, just so that we can start defining it a little better. For this color, I really do want to focus it on our actual crease and not go above, because then that will just ruin the whole purpose of the lighter blue. we're gonna go in with that darker shade and add it more into this crease, because on this side it did seem to very like blend out very nice, but then over here not, it didn't really want to blend, I guess. So I'm just gonna add more product and bring it a little bit into the lighter color. Okay, to intensify this look, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brown, and we're actually going to place that in the rest of our eyelid. I'm gonna use the darker brown on the palette right here. Right here. I'm gonna place that. Like that. We're gonna use one of the blending brushes that we have. The ColourPop E1. And kind of just take the color and like smudge it. We're going to take some more of that brown and intensify it. I'm actually gonna go in and apply more of that darker blue on our crease, like that, just so it could pop up a little more. Like that. Of course, I'm gonna blend it out. I just want to place. Take the blending brush and blend it all out. Okay, so now we're gonna take the original brush. It's important for like these kinds of colors not to mix your brushes, because then you'll have like, you'll be using like the light brush the brush that you use for the light color for the dark color, and then you'll just like mix them all up, and it just won't help you out with the blending steps of this look. So I'm gonna use the original brush that I use for the light color on the top of my eyelid, and then this is the one that I've been using for the dark color. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna blend out where the light color meets the dark. Sorry about my voice, I think I'm just gonna get sick, so. And then I just use my finger to kind of like clean it up a little bit. Sometimes I have like too much color touching my brow bone, and I'm just like, kind of helps it reduce the intensity of the colors. I'm gonna use that dark shade, and I'm just gonna blend that out a little more. The blue is probably one of the trickiest color that I've ever worked with, just because it's kind of hard to like show all the colors. Like I really wanted that light blue to pop out, but it kind of just disappeared in the mix. That. And then I'm going to use that brush that I placed the brown with, and I'm just gonna just blend it a little more. Alright, so for eyeshadow for right now, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go in and we're just gonna clean up our under eye with our little technique with the concealer and the cut between the concealer and the eyeshadow. Let me find my sponge. Now I'm gonna go on ahead and just do my bronzer, highlight, and blush off camera, and then I'll be right back, okay? So I actually wanna add like a pop of color in their inner corner of our eyes. So we're gonna go in and we're just gonna take this gold right here, this one right here, and I'm just gonna use JH42. I'm gonna technically just like really tap it in there just so we can pick up that color, and we're just gonna place it in our inner corner. And I think I'm gonna use my setting spray to intensify that color because it's not really picking up very well. So I'm gonna tap and then we're gonna just spray. I'm gonna tap, spray. And it did give me a little bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna use my brush that I use for to remove my setting powder under my eye. I'm just gonna use that and just clean it up a little bit. Just like that. It was just, the purpose of that is just to like bring a little bit of color, just because it is really like dark. It's like really dark blue, and then the dark brown that I added, I kind of just wanted to give it like a pop of color. So now I'm just gonna add, I'm just gonna apply my lashes, and I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that everything is pretty much set, I'm just gonna put on some lipstick. And for today's lipstick, I think I'm just going to use the little lippy and lip gloss, like kind of trick, I guess. I got this lippy pencil at ColourPop, and what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna outline my lips and then fill it in a little bit and add some lip gloss on top. And then for the lip gloss, I'm just going to use the same lip gloss that I've been using. It's from ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscription button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.